I would love to introduce you to Thorsten Lamm. Thorsten Lamm is a product owner of the software product called Heatmap, and you are working for SWAN. So Thorsten, the first time I met SWAN was 1.5 years ago at a trade fair show in Shanghai, and I'm really happy that you are presenting now your Omlox product.
Thank you, Daniel, for having us. So SWAN Insight offers, in cooperation with the Omlox Hub, the analysis and optimization of shop floor usage and process automation. Analysis of the ideal usage of existing areas and paths are displayed in detail via a heat map using indoor tracking of people, machines, or goods with a unique precision and in the robustness required by the industry. Omlox enables the usage of a huge variety of technologies with an easy integration into our data analysis tool. The SWAN Heatmap is accessible via web interface and can be easily integrated into other software products. The analytics engine in the background works efficiently even with large data volumes and scales up the information process in gigafactories and warehouse complexes. Have your plant in view from everywhere, whether in the warehouse control center, from your office, or directly in the plant via tablet. In the real-time view, you can see the current status of your plant. You can track your assets, you can track your workers or forklifts in real time. The bird's eye view offers you the chance to keep an eye on the entire plant. Freely zoomable and scalable, you can look at parts of your plant, react to problems, and see directly over or under loads. In the history view, you can see the status of your system in the time range that you can freely define. You choose the start or end time or the duration of the analysis, and you will receive an evaluation of the utilization of your plant within seconds. For example, compare the early shift with a late shift, or compare early shifts from 1 week with another, or from one week in Q1 to 1 week in Q3, for example. So have you noticed that work was particularly effective at one point? And take a look at why afterwards and use the knowledge to continuously improve your working methods. In the replay view, you can see the location of your assets in the time range that you define. You choose the start and end time or the duration of the analysis, and you will receive a report on the whereabouts of your assets within seconds. Tracking in real time or accelerate the path of one of your assets, see the transport speeds of your goods, or check the routes for time losses, for example.
Okay, so you're really presenting a nice, sophisticated analysis tool, and I really like it because you can really easily display the value for customers while using real-time locating systems.
Yeah, the idea is to generate as much insight as possible.
Okay, thank you very much for sharing this one with us.
Thanks for having me.